In the 3GPP Utrin architecture, NBAP, Node B application part, is the signaling protocol responsible for the control of the Node B by the RNC. NBAP is subdivided into common and dedicated NBAP, CNBAP and DNBAP, where common NBAP controls overall Node B functionality, and dedicated NBAP controls radio links to specific user equipment. NBAP forms part of the IOOP interface. NBAP handles two kinds of procedures for different NBAP functionalities. Common procedures. For managing logical O&M functions. For controlling BCCH broadcast. For creating new Node B communication context. Dedicated procedures. For handling procedures of an existing Node B communication context in a TTP/TCP. References.